Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School, Thai. Today we are going to start the 10.3 lecture number 22. In 10.3, we have question number 1, construction of the congruent angles by using a pair of compass. Dear student, first part we are given 35 degree. In 35 degree, this 35 degree we will draw with the help of protractor. We will draw the 35 degree with the help of a protractor, and angle 35 degree is drawn A, B and C. Now in this angle we will take the point B as a center, and with center B with suitable radius with the help of compass, taking B as center, we will draw an arc PQ. This PQ arc, where P point will cut the ray BA, where P point cut the BA ray and Q point cuts the BC ray. Dear student, now after these two steps we have to draw a congruent angle. And first step of the congruent angle is draw a ray yx of same length as of the first angle with the help of ruler. Now take y as center, take the y as center, and with the same radius, that is the BP, with the same radius, draw an arc on the ray yx. Yx, dear student, here yx has a point A. That is the point of arc. Now this is the center, and we will open the compass of radius PQ, that here it is mentioned PQ, and draw an other arc that cut the first arc at the point A. Dear student, draw YZ passing through point M. Now XYZ is a required congruent angle of 35 degrees. Now dear student, this is the procedure to draw the congruent angle of 35. Simultaneously, you have to draw the rest part of this question, part number 2, part number 3, part number 4, part number 5. Now here, dear students, question number 2. In question number 2, first two steps are of the same pattern that we have done in a question number 1. Draw the twice of the following angles by using a pair of compasses. First step that we are going to draw here, first step here, we will draw the angle AOB or construct an angle AOB with protector. With protector. Dear students, now we will draw having center O. We will draw an arc having center O of the suitable radius with the help of compass. Now here O is taken as a center and draw an arc that cuts the OA at the point L, and same arc cut the OB ray at the point N. Dear students, after this step, we have the question twice of given angle. Twice of given angle. First part, draw here y-x ray with the help of ruler. Okay. Now take y as center and draw an arc on the ray yx with compass having suitable radius, that is yp. Now P cuts the yx ray at point P. Now this is the point P that cuts the yx. Now we will take the y as center here. We will cut the y as, we will cut the, here take the P as center, not y, but P as center, and draw in other arc of radius LM, with the help of compass. With the help of compass, not protected, compass. The student here that cut the first arc at the point Q. Then here we will take the P as center, and with the help of compass we draw an arc that cut the first arc at point Q, and radius will be Ln, and radius will be Ln, that is equal to the PQ. Now taking the Q as center for second arc with the same radius Ln, with the same compass, we will cut the first arc at the point Q. Dear students, same way we will draw the radius here. We will draw the ray, not radius, the ray. We will draw a ray YZ, which will pass from the point R here. This is the R, and this point is the Q point. This is the Q point. Okay. Now XYZ is a required angle, which is twice of the first angle. Draw the twice of the following angles by using a pair of compasses. Number one, first two step, draw the actual angle. Third step, you will start the required angle, that will be the twice of the first angle. And third step, draw the y-x of the 5 centimeter. Take y as center, draw an arc of the suitable radius that cut the y-axis at point P. Now in fifth step, take P as a center and draw an arc that cut the first arc at point Q. Now take Q as center and draw another arc of the same radius that cut the first arc at point R. Now draw ray YZ passing from the point R. So dear student, the required angle is X, then Y, then Z. That is the 80, twice of the 40. So dear students, now we are going to start the question number 3. Question number 3, draw the following angles by using a pair of compasses and protractor. Actual angle we are going to draw with a pair of compasses. Dear students, draw an angle AOB with the help of 45 degrees. With protractor, now this is the angle. Now we are going to take O as a center. That is the our suitable radius compass will be open, and we will draw an arc EA of the suitable radius from the center O. E cuts the OA ray and F cuts the OB ray. Here is the B. Dear student, here. Now third step, we are going to bisect it. Now the bisection is taken. Now we will take first of all E center, open the suitable compass. Two arcs we have to draw. We have to draw the two arcs from the point, taking the center E and F, having opened suitable. So dear students, I will open the suitable compass. From the center O, I will draw first arc, then second arc will bisect the first arc from the center F at point O. Now join the O with point L with the help of ruler. So dear students, OM is a angle bisector of 45 degrees. Now 45 degree is divided into the 22 half degree and 22 half degree here. This is also degree and this is also degree. They are equal of same. 45 degree is divided into 22 and a half degree. And here I have written a mathematical statement. So first degree AOM, second MOB, angle 1, angle 2. So dear student, this is the explanation for the question number 3. Draw the following angles by using a protractor and bisect them by using a pair of compasses. First two steps, draw the actual angle. Draw an angle AOB of 45 degree with protractor, with the help of protractor. Then taking O as a center, draw an arc of the suitable radius, that is EF. E cuts the OA ray and F cuts the OB ray. Now dear students, from three steps we have to draw. Now we have to bisect the given angle 45 degree. From the given arc having point E and F, open suitable compass. From E, draw the first arc, and from the F, bisect the first arc. Now then join O with the point of bisection, point of intersection, that is E, with the point O. Now hence a ray OM cuts the angle AOB into two equal parts, two equal angles. that are defined here. Dear students, in the explanation of the question number 3, part number 1 is done. Now part number 2, 3, 4 and 5 are of the same. Dear students, we are going to explain the object exercise of the chapter number 10. Write the meaning of the geometry. The word geometry, the measurement of earth or length. Means. Write here means. What is the, here we will write the meaning. What does either here? You can write the word mean. It means. Here is the mean. Dear student, here M, A, and N, and S. Here is the means. It's the missing one. Okay. Sorry for mention. Here the word geometry, the measurement of earth or length. What is meant by the right bisector? Right bisector, actually it is the line on the given line segment which cut the given line segment, or it is perpendicular on the given line segment and passes through the middle. Two properties. First, it should be perpendicular, means at the 90 degree, and then it will divide the given line segment into two equal parts. So that's why it will be at the midpoint. What are the congruent angles? There are two angles of the same measurement are congruent angles. How many elements are required to construct a triangle? 3 elements are required to construct a triangle. Defined a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line which has two distinct endpoints. So dear student, we are going to start the question number 2. In question number 2, we have the fill in the blanks. I have written answers in opposite of each question in parentheses or bracket. A dash is a part of a line which has two distinct endpoints. The answer is line segment. Second, dear student, the unit of measuring an angle is called dash. That is the degree. A straight line has an angle of dash. Always, measurement of the straight line is 180. Right answer, 180. In fourth part, question number 2, only 3 elements can be construct a triangle, but one of them must be a dash. Oh, yes, dash. Required answer is side. Dear students, in first, right answer line segment. Second part, right answer degree. Third, right answer 180. Fourth, the right answer is the side. So dear students, question number 3, check the correct answer. In a line segment AB, the right bisector passes through its dash. Oh, right bisector passes through midpoint. Here, the answer is midpoint. Bisection means to divide into two equal parts. How many? Bisection means 1, no, 2, yes, it is right answer is 2. Not 3, not 4. Dear students, a right bisector intersects the line at the angle of, yes, it is the second condition. I told you in the definition of the right bisector. Right bisector is a line on a given line segment, okay, that will be perpendicular and passes through midpoint. So here perpendicular means here it will be at the 90 degree Right answer is the 90 degree. The sum of the internal angles in a triangle is always dash. Number A 90 degree, number 2 180 degree, number 3 240 degree, and number D 360 degree. So dear student, this was question number 3 and 2 that I have done from the object exercise that are the part of the goal. Now I would like to share from the first question number 1. Congruent angles. Congruent angles are two angles of the same measure. Okay. So first we will write the 35 degree with the help of protractor, and then we will make the angle with protractor and draw an arc of the suitable radius. Now these two points will become the base to draw the congruent angle. And this way we draw the congruent by having a ray xy with by the same length, then take the y as center, draw an arc. That arc is cut at the point L. Take the L as a center, open the compass of radius QP, draw an arc that from the center L that cut the first arc at the point Q, and then draw the y z ray that will pass from the point M also. This is the complete explanation. By the same way in question number 2, draw the twice of the following angles by using the pair of a compass. Twice means its measurement will be 2 times more as compared to first angle. I have done part number 1, 40 degree. Draw the 2 steps. First, draw the AOB angle of the 40 degree with the help of protractor. Now take O as center and draw an arc that cuts the OA at point L and OB at point N. Now LN is the arc. Now first of all, these 2 steps will become the base of our required angle. That will be twice of the first angle. Dear students, let us draw a ray YX with the suitable, with the same radius as OL on the ray XY or YX. Now that arc cut the YX at point P. Now take the P as center, draw an arc from the P center of LN. That cut the first arc at Q. Now from Q, draw an other of the same arc, other of the same radius. Draw another arc of the same radius from the center Q that cuts the first arc at point R. Now draw the YZ that pass from the point R. Now XYZ is the required angle. That is the required angle and equal to twice of the first angle. Dear students, in 3, draw the following angles by using a pair of compass and bisect them by using a pair of compass. Protractor and compass. First 2 steps by same way. Now, angle, draw AOB angle of the 45. Draw suitable arc. Now from the given points of the arc, you will take the center simultaneously. First take the center E, draw first arc of the suitable radius, and take the center F and cut the first arc having same radius, is of the first. That will cut the point, first arc at the point M. Now from the O, draw the ray that is equal to OM. OM is the OM ray is a angle bisector. Now this is the ray that bisect the 45 degree into 2 equal angles, 22 of degree, 22 of degree. Now here are the OM cuts the AOB angle into 2 equal parts. AOB is equal to measurement AOM plus measurement angle M. So by simply 3, 2, 2, 3, 4 formula. Dear students, here are the fill in the blanks, right? Few questions that we have already explained. And here in question number 2, fill in the blanks that I have done and take the correct answer. I hope you learn. I hope that wish you best of luck. Thank you.